Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 59th algorithm video. In this task we are given a string and we need to print the first letter of every word in the string. We have three words here, geeks for geeks. So the first letter for the first word is G, the first letter for the second word is F, and the first letter for the third word is G. So this would be our output. Now let's make the algorithm. I would make a blank string of new string and I would make this string into a list by using the split function. String dot split. Let's print it. So we have effectively converted this string into a list. Then I would iterate through this list string. Then I would make the new string plus I would give it the 0 index. By giving it the 0 index, I would be effectively taking the first letter of the words for each I. Then I would print the new string. So this is our output, GFG. Let's change the string again. I am doing Python practice. So first we have changed this string into a list. Then this is our output, IADPP. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.